Hi, my name is Elsa P. Barcelona. Now I'm going to discuss a source code using one-dimensional array. Here's my source code. Number include IOStream using namespace std semicolon int main open parentheses and close parentheses with open braces. Then we need to declare 10 array. So my data type is int and num is for the name of my array, and inside the square bracket, which is the index value, which is 10, then the maximum and minimum with semicolon. I use for loop, which is for open parentheses int l, which is my variable, l is equal to 0, semicolon l is less than 10, semicolon l plus plus, and close parentheses. Now we are asking user to input numbers into an array. So cout quotation, enter number at index, then the variable l inside the square bracket, colon, quotation mark, and semicolon. To display the numbers into an array, using cin, num, and the variable l with semicolon. Then, in displaying even number at index, we used nested loop. Cout index, then before I put the variable l inside the square bracket to display the statement is even number. And to display odd number at index, we used nested loop again, and cout index, and inside the square bracket we have the variable l to display that it is odd number. Next is to display even numbers in an array. So for loop, open parentheses int l is equal to 0, semicolon l is less than 10, semicolon l plus plus, and close parentheses. This is the time that we use f. Num is our name of our array, then l is our variable. Modulus of 2 is equals to 0. Cout array inside the square bracket we have the variable l, and to display the even number we use num square bracket with a variable l. Next is to display odd numbers in array. Again, for int l is equal to 1, semicolon l is less than 10, semicolon l plus plus, and close parentheses. Since we need to get odd numbers in the array, we used f num value of l modulus of 2 and not operator is equal to 0. Then the cout is num variable L insertion operator, and to leave space is we use quotation mark and semicolon. The next is determining the highest number in the array. So we use the max, which is the maximum, then equals num, and our index value is 0, then semicolon. For int L is equal to 0, semicolon is L is less than 10, semicolon L plus plus. Since we need to get the highest number in the array or determine, we use if maximum is less than num and the L variable, max is equal to num and the L variable, semicolon. Determining the lowest number in the array. So since we need to determine the lowest number in the array, we use min, which is minimum, is equal to num, the number, the name of our array, and the 0 is the value of our index. And to determine the output, which is we have the cout, the highest number in the array, insertion operator, and we use max since for the determining the highest number we use maximum, and for determining the smallest number in the array we use the minimum. Next is number to be searched. We declare an int variable s, comma, variable L, and variable R, semicolon. To cout, enter number to be searched, then cin is s, since we declare s as our variable. To display number was found at index, I put the variable L inside the square bracket. Then also the f variable R is less than 1, cout number not found, to display if the number is not found. Now we proceed to elements sorted in ascending order. I declare int temp, which is temp is temporary. Then I use nested loop. Cout is elements are arranged in ascending order. Elements are sorted in descending order. We used for nested loop again. And the difference is we change the operator, which is in ascending order. We have the greater sign, then In ascending order, we apply the less than operator. And see out, elements are arranged in descending order. For the last, 4 open parenthesis int L equals to 0 semicolon L is less than 10 semicolon L plus plus and close parenthesis, open brace again to see out, num is inside, L is inside the square bracket, then insertion operator, and to reserve space we apply quotation mark and semicolon, and that's all. We're going to run this. Enter number at index, which is 1. Even numbers in array is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Odd numbers in the array is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And the highest number in the array is 10. The smallest number in the array is 1. So enter number to be searched. We enter numbers